first step is so we will develop API.
Okay.
Develop system API, not system API. To interact service node. Okay. Okay. So second step is develop another system API. To interact Solar database. Okay.
Okay.
So as part of this thing, the first step, what we do is we design RAML. Okay. Develop application. Okay, so where we can deploy, it's both on cloud. Can I access the Solar database from cloud or from local only? Where the database is located in your
SolarWind
premises or in the cloud?
SolarWind is on a premises, like it's on our
premises.
Yeah, on premises.
So we can't go, as of now, we don't have such infrastructure to establish a connection between cloud and on premises in our case, but usually we need to have the VPC setup, other setup. So what we do is we go for the on-prem deployment. Okay. And we do the 3 steps for the second application also. And we define some sort of the process API. Okay. Orchestrates. No. System APIs. Okay. So for this, as we are designing for the schedule-based API, the third one, we are not writing any RAML because it is event-based API. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is event-based. So RAML is not required, and this only application. Mule application. Mule application. So also on-prem. So 3 applications. Right. And these are all the whole tasks we need to do on the 3 APIs. Okay, so let's start from the first one, develop system API for service now. And open the design center.
Okay, 1 second. Let's go in a screen, but let's move it here. You know, they're gonna give me access to the, but right now I don't have access yet, but but I have the free one. What do you call the any point?
Okay.
What was it? Any point? That's kind of right. Any point studio.
Anypoint.mulesoft.com.
Any point. That Mulesoft.
Yeah, .mulesoft.com. Yes, Mulesoft. Okay, yeah.
I think before I forgot, and I'm gonna come here. Okay, go ahead.
Specification. Let's be follow this service no alert system API.
So S is like a system and
System
API.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, exactly. S represents system API. P represents process API. Yeah. There is some kind of template.
Yeah.
Creates this APIs also for standard manner. In our office, we have used as standard templates to create the APIs. So as of now, I'm creating some, using the basic steps.
That's right.
Okay.
This is my company has a template, but I don't have access to. I don't have a. What do you call this one? Each company has the endpoint platform, right? And and what do you call the permission? I don't have that permission yet. He's gonna create one for me, and after that, he said you can use the template and stuff that I do, the stuff that I need. And but right now, you're right. Let's start. Let's create from scratch.
Yeah.
Are you missing R and after the E?
Yeah,
Alerts.
yeah. So in the company, there is a team called the C4E, Center for Enablement Team.
Can you say one more time? You're breaking up.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, there is some lag. Not able to go back.
Yeah. So what did you say? What did you say?
There is some lag in the connection.
That's right. That's
so
right.
I'm not able to go back and correct this alert. Okay, can you correct alerts? Okay. Yeah. Is it got alerts, right?
Yeah. I mean, there's R here. 1 second.
Yeah. Colon. Right. Okay. So as of now, we are just returning the alerts. We are not creating any alerts using this API, right? Okay.
No, this one we only getting. Yeah, we only.
Get it, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
So I'm using a get method for that. Get. Get has responses.
Responses. 200 body JSON.
JSON, and we need to create an alert data type. Yeah.
So this tool, like API designer, or what do you call that? An endpoint platform? Is that what it's called, right?
Yeah, this is also a part of any point platform API designer.
Yeah. So yeah, I know, but this product called an endpoint platform. What is the other
center.
one? Or design center? Okay.
This is design center.
Okay.
So can I see alert payload? Like you shown me, right? Alert payload many times.
Yeah.
How the alert look like?
So with that, so em underscore alert. So so what do you want to see? I just want to make sure I understand. You want to see that table?
So I want to see the alert. The alert properties. How the alert look like? So show me the postman.
Oh, postman. All right. So what do you want to see?
Yeah, I want to see the alert parameters. I mean, how the properties of alert. How this is the alerts, alert information, right? Alert number, alert description, alert info. Yeah, got it. One moment. Could we copy this one? Yeah. Okay.
And I'm wondering. Okay, we'll get to that, but
alert number, alert short description. One moment.
Yeah, in our situation, yeah, I think it's okay. Alert number.
But I'm not able to access your. What man?
So
I'm trying to access your AnyPoint studio. It's not any parts any part design center. Yeah, go to design center. Design center. Design center.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number short description relation. Yeah, not this one. Design center. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Lost control.
Oh, you lost control. So that was alert and data types, right?
Yes, data type.
Mm. You create a new one.
Yeah.
Okay. response.
Not giving well.
Yeah, I think I'm good. I don't know. I'm sneezing.
Okay.
So now we're building a data type file for the response.
Exactly. Yeah.
So isn't it same as the data type, alert data type?
Yeah, exactly. One sec here. Array data type, but it contains the array of the array data types. The response contains, see, if you see the response, right?
Mhm.
See if the response, right? What is the response? Response contains the result. Okay.
Yeah, object. Yeah.
The result, the value of result is array of the alerts.
Mhm.
Each one is alert. Here, in this case, we got only one alert, but the
Yeah.
possibility of getting multiple alerts, right?
That's right.
Okay. So I am designing this object where the result is array of
Could be.
the responses.
Okay.
Okay. So here I can So let me explain the part, Adam. Okay.
Okay.
So as per standard, right, we need to first design the data types of the objects we are using inside the API.
Okay.
So in this API, we are using the object called alert, right? So first we need to design the alert, how the alert look like, what are different parameters of the alert, what different properties of alert. For that, I designed one alert type, the RAML data type. Okay, it contains what is the alert number, what is about alert short description, and alert additional info, and alert updated on, alert state, whatever these things,
Yep.
And this is a type alert. Okay.
Okay.
And I
It's a
associated,
you call it data types.
exactly,
Right?
this data type of alert. Okay. And I associated some example also. This is example of alert.
And you can
Right?
we get that from the Postman, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
That's
Okay.
good.
And when you retrieve all the alerts from the API, so it is returning like this, right? When you go to Postman.
Yeah.
So this is a way in the result, it is returning all the arrays. Oh, sorry, all the alerts.
Yeah.
Right. So here you're seeing only one alert, but it is collection of alerts. You can get multiple alerts, right?
That's right.
The array. Okay. So for that purpose, I'm sorry, I'm going to push. Okay. For that purpose, I created one more called alert. See, these two things are defined. I created one library. Library is a place we can create multiple objects, multiple data types. Okay. So as I already created data type, I'm just using that data over here to alert type, and I'm creating alert response type over here. Okay. The alert response type is also object. It contains only one property called result property. The result is the alert type array, collection of alert types. Right. So collection of alert types. So my data type design is completed. I need to use this data type design in my RAML. For that, you need to import that library to this RAML specification file. So to import, we need to use the uses keyword. Uses keyword
Okay.
used to import the library. So uses, this is a library I'm importing over here. So I am referring that library dot alert response type to this get. Right?
So whenever it's trying to do get,
Yeah.
it'll be body, it'll be 200, it'll be body, it'll be the JSON. And we saying then after the JSON, the type is alert library,
response.
alert response type. And that's the one that
Correct.
returns the object.
Correct.
Right?
So test it, mock test it, and we can continue. Okay, first do some mock test with this API, and next week. My connection is not stable. Can you copy it?
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
Can you mark it? Click it over
Let's
here
go.
and click on this this button. Yeah, now copy the link and go to Postman. Take a new tab. Yes. Yeah.
So this one,
right? Okay.
Yeah, you got it. But this one, can you explain this? What you just did?
So what I did is I just designed the API right in the design center.
Yeah.
So I want to mock test it before implementing this API in any point studio. I want to check this it is rightly returning the responses or not. For that, Mulesoft implementing some mocking configuration over mock service configuration over here. So you can test your APIs. It is returning the response as expected or not over here.
Okay. So what do you copy? What and you went to the Postman? How how do you know where to like point to your post? Like it's somehow there's nothing right now here in this configuration in Design Center that tells where the the URL is or the path is. And remember, like in the studio, and you set up like a get, and you say like get this URL, this is a base path, this is the and but in design you didn't provide that information, but somehow it returned the value. But I think it might be it's returning the example. That's all it's doing right now, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's not even going to the site. It's not even going to the ServiceNow website and getting it's not executing the API and getting the information, fetching information from the API. It's not doing that. It's just testing the example.
Yes, just an example only. Because we're not yet implemented our API, right?
Yeah, because I was confused. When you did that, go back to the Postman. When you did this, and I saw same result that we were seeing earlier, I was saying, how is he getting that? How is he getting this information? How is he getting this information without and I don't see anything here that says ServiceNow, thing. So now I understand. This is the example we provided.
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
in the
What is the
in the
concept
design.
is,
Yeah.
yeah, Mulesoft, the recommendation is a API first way. So before implementing your API, right, you need
Yeah.
to, showcase these examples to your the client team,
Yep.
and they will check your responses. How are they satisfying the requirements or not? So once they give sign off, this request and response are good, then only we need to go ahead and implement the API.
So I have a question. I
Okay.
have a question. But right
Yeah.
now, like in this situation, right? Say that I was a
Right.
client and
Okay.
you're
Yeah.
doing
Yeah.
and you're developing this for me, but
Yeah. Exactly. Okay.
there's nothing that this work is not done. This work it only
Mm-hmm.
it only does you did some kind of a marking or some kind of example that
Mm-hmm.
that you could return the message that we need to return, right? But it's not. Uh, this is a one way. This might be if like one way that you saying that this is how I would. This is a, if I get the this you will say that, for example, if when I go to ServiceNow and alert, this is the type of alert I'm getting back. Is this correct? Is that what? That's the only thing that you can answer right now, and for client perspective. Are you following me?
Correct. Correct.
All right.
Exactly. We show the client perspective. This is the response you're getting. This information. This is the fields you are getting.
Yeah,
So to analyze those fields and those types all the. Yeah.
that's good. Got it. Got it now.
Hello.
All right. This is good.
Able to hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you. You're right. It's a little
Yeah.
bit delayed, but it's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. So our design is okay. As per this requirement, the design is complete. Tomorrow you may get one more requirement to post also or to update also to delete also. For that, we need to extend this API methods and we need to extend this API. Okay. So where I am here, right?
So hold on,
Here in
hold on.
this,
And
I'm not able to.
yeah, yeah. Click that one.
Yeah. Okay.
So I have a
So as
question.
of now, I put only get, but you can extend this API to get only specific alerts information or to update a specific alert. All these things you can extend in further in the future. Okay. But I'm implementing this API system
So
API.
can we create please a brand new flow? I don't want to touch this one. That's
Yeah. We can brand new application.
yeah.
Okay. So only here. So here. So from this POC project and copying this the service now configuration. Okay.
Okay.
And they will be calling the HTTP request configuration to call the service now. Like this is the request configuration. I think we are calling for service now.
Service now config.
Yeah. You need both. Yeah, we don't require this database stuff. That's going to different API project, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Only up to this one is fine. Oh. Copy and I'll paste over here. That doesn't worry, it will go in a moment. This error is not permanent. Save it will go. Okay. Please, could you please save this file? I'm not able to access your file.
Which one?
Yeah, okay.
This?
Yeah, I want to see the XML file, configuration XML. No, I want to go to XML format, configuration XML. But strangely, I'm not able to access your. No.
Yeah, I just opened the configuration XML. You don't see that?
Yeah. Got it. Yes, I'm able to see.
It's not bound. Well, that's alert ID.
So what I did, Adam, is just added a result as a request, HTTP request component. This will call the service now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this request component added to this file. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So only this is the implementation. For this API, this request call the service now and returns the alerts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me deploy this local and test.
Fail.
Okay, don't worry.
The doc name. It's not bound. Yeah, I think that's the error message.
Right. Yeah.
So what does the clean do?
Which one? Clean will it will build your project. Means something is not binding properly. It will rebind all the libraries with your code,
Mm-hmm.
and it will build your projects. Okay. See, there is some issue with this. Let me. Sometimes code is not properly built, not library also set properly, then get this error. Okay, you can use debugger.
Let's see how the config looks like.
Usually it's deployed.
Yeah, I did. No, actually, let me see. Let me see.
I think it's
Yeah.
deployed. Okay. Okay. Open your Postman and test for a while, and we will see the next session. The Postman localhost 8081 in the address bar.
So should I add a new one?
Okay. Unless you can use it. Localhost 8081.
8081 alerts.
API API
Yeah.
API /alerts. Yeah. Now it will call service now and get the alerts.
It's empty.
Yes. Yeah. Maybe in service now there is no alert.
Yeah. It looks like that way. So let's close up in this. Save it. Yeah, we got something.
Okay.
But I don't know. Yeah, this is.
This is from service now only because we
I know.
the service now.
That's right. We only did this far. So I just want to understand a little bit. And when you import,
so the next session we create the
service now, the SolarWinds thing. So I have a question. And when we imported, there's only one listener, right?
Right. Yeah.